Getting older changes the way you look at motorcycles. At some point, you stop caring about top speed and start caring about comfort, reliability, and whether the bike is going to demand a weekend of maintenance every time you ride it. Today, we're counting down 7 motorcycles that are smooth, dependable, easy to live with, and practically maintenance-free. These are the kinds of bikes older riders buy because they want to spend more time riding and less time crawling around the garage floor with chain lube and lower back pain. And trust me, the #1 bike on this list might be the smartest motorcycle ever built for senior riders. Let's get started. Number 7. BMW R 1200 RT. The BMW R 1200 RT is what happens when German engineers decide comfort should feel almost scientific. This motorcycle is smooth, refined, incredibly practical, and built for riders who enjoy crossing entire states without feeling like they survived a bar fight afterward. Power comes from BMW's famous 1170 cubic centimeter boxer twin engine paired with shaft drive, which immediately eliminates one of the biggest maintenance annoyances on motorcycles: chain cleaning and adjustment. Older riders especially appreciate this because, honestly, kneeling beside a motorcycle with chain spray at age 65 starts feeling less like a hobby and more like punishment. The comfort level is exceptional. The upright seating position keeps pressure off your wrists and lower back. The wind protection is fantastic, and many models include heated seats and grips that feel absolutely magical on cold mornings. You sit on the RT rather than inside it, but somehow it still manages to feel luxurious. Now, yes, BMW maintenance can be expensive if you rely entirely on dealerships. But mechanically, these bikes are incredibly durable when maintained properly. And once rolling, the balance hides the weight beautifully. But if you think this German touring machine is smooth, wait until you see the next motorcycle, because it may be the definition of stress-free riding. Number 6. Honda N C750 XDCT. The Honda N C750 XDCT is one of the smartest motorcycles Honda has ever built, especially for older riders. It's practical, comfortable, fuel-efficient, and perhaps most importantly, available with Honda's brilliant DCT automatic transmission. That means no clutch lever, no shifting, no cramping your left hand in traffic. You simply twist the throttle and ride. For riders dealing with arthritis, knee pain, or simply wanting a more relaxed experience, the DCT system is a game changer. It feels strange for about 10 minutes, and then you never want to go back. The 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine is tuned for low-end torque and excellent fuel economy rather than aggressive speed. It's calm, smooth, and easygoing. The upright seating position makes longer rides comfortable, and the built-in storage compartment where the gas tank would normally sit is one of the most useful features in motorcycling. And reliability? It's a Honda. These bikes are famous for running forever with minimal drama. Plus, without constantly working a clutch and transmission, riding becomes less physically demanding overall. But if you think the NC750X is practical, the next motorcycle on this list feels like a luxury train disguised as a touring bike. At number 5, Yamaha Super Tenere. The Yamaha Super Tenere may look like a rugged adventure machine, but underneath all that ADV styling is one of the best long-distance motorcycles older riders can buy. This thing is comfortable, dependable, smooth, and built to handle huge mileage without complaining. The 1,199 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine produces strong but manageable torque, and paired with shaft drive, maintenance becomes refreshingly simple. No chain adjustments, no messy lubrication, just basic servicing and more time enjoying the road. Yamaha engineered this bike for riders who actually travel instead of just talking about traveling online. One thing older riders love about the Super Tenere is the upright ergonomics. Your knees aren't folded into origami shapes, your wrists don't ache after an hour, and visibility in traffic is excellent. The suspension also handles rough roads beautifully, which becomes more important every year your spine starts filing complaints. Now, it's not the lightest motorcycle in the world. You definitely notice the weight in parking lots. But once moving, it feels balanced and incredibly confidence-inspiring. And speaking of confidence, the next bike on this list might be one of the smoothest Japanese motorcycles ever made. Number 4. Honda Goldwing. Come on, you knew this bike would appear eventually. The Honda Goldwing has been the king of long-distance comfort for decades, and there's a reason so many older riders buy one and never look back. Riding a Goldwing almost feels unfair to other motorcycles because everything about it is so smooth and effortless. The flat-six engine is unbelievably refined. There's barely any vibration, power delivery is seamless, and highway cruising feels almost relaxing enough to make you forget you're operating an 800-pound motorcycle. Honda engineered this thing to glide down the road like a luxury touring car on two wheels. Naturally, it uses shaft drive because chain maintenance on a luxury touring bike would be ridiculous. Add in heated grips, giant seats, electronic suspension, excellent wind protection, and massive luggage capacity, and suddenly cross-country riding sounds less intimidating and more like a vacation. Now, yes, the Goldwing is enormous. Parking one can occasionally feel like docking a yacht. But once moving, the weight disappears surprisingly well, and if you think this bike is comfortable, wait until you see the next motorcycle, because it might be the most underrated touring bike ever made for senior riders. Number 3. Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager. The Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager is basically a rolling recliner with cruise control. This motorcycle was built for riders who still love long-distance travel but no longer enjoy feeling beaten up after every ride. Its massive 1,700 cubic centimeters V-twin produces smooth, effortless torque that makes highway riding incredibly relaxed. You don't rev this engine hard, you simply roll on the throttle and let the bike do the work. And paired with shaft drive, maintenance stays refreshingly simple for such a large touring machine. Comfort is where the Voyager shines brightest. Huge seats, floorboards, excellent wind protection, and relaxed ergonomics make this bike ideal for older couples who enjoy traveling together. Honestly, passengers tend to love this bike almost as much as riders do, which can be very useful when suggesting another multi-state road trip. Of course, it's heavy. Very heavy. You definitely don't want to lose balance backing this thing uphill at a gas station, but once underway, it becomes incredibly stable and confidence-inspiring. Still, if you want something lighter and easier to manage, the next motorcycle might surprise you. At number 2, Suzuki Bergman 650, Executive Yes. A scooter made the list, and before the comment section explodes, hear me out. The Suzuki Bergman 650 Executive might actually be one of the smartest motorcycles older riders can buy. It's comfortable, automatic, practical, weather protective, and ridiculously easy to ride. Plus, you get step-through convenience, which your knees may appreciate more than your ego admits. The 638 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder engine delivers smooth highway performance, and the automatic CVT transmission means zero shifting effort. In traffic, around town, or during long rides, the Bergman feels incredibly relaxing. You simply sit back, twist the throttle, and enjoy the scenery. Comfort levels are outstanding. The seat feels more like a touring chair than a motorcycle saddle. Wind protection is excellent, and storage space is genuinely useful. You can pack groceries, luggage, rain gear, snacks, and probably half the pharmacy aisle inside this thing. And reliability is classic Suzuki, durable and dependable. Many riders who swore they'd never ride a scooter eventually try a Bergman and quietly fall in love with it. But the number 1 motorcycle on this list? It may be the ultimate low-maintenance machine ever built for older riders. Number 1. Honda Pacific Coast 800. The Honda Pacific Coast 800 was ahead of its time, and honestly, older riders finally understand just how brilliant it really was. Back in the day, people laughed at it because it looked strange. Some called it a scooter. Others thought it looked too practical. But now, riders over 60 are realizing Honda accidentally built one of the most stress-free motorcycles ever made. The 800 cubic centimeter V-twin engine is smooth, reliable, and incredibly low maintenance. Combined with shaft drive and hydraulic valve adjusters, ownership becomes ridiculously simple. There's no chain maintenance, very little mechanical drama, and the bike just keeps running year after year. Then there's the comfort. The seat is plush, the riding position is relaxed, and the full bodywork gives excellent wind protection. But the real magic is the giant integrated trunk. This thing can carry groceries, luggage, jackets, snacks, medication, and probably enough supplies for a weekend road trip without adding extra bags. And that's why the Pacific Coast deserves the #1 spot. It's comfortable, practical, dependable, easy to own, and perfectly suited for riders who want to spend more time enjoying the road and less time maintaining their motorcycle. It may not be flashy, but honestly, neither is a recliner, and everybody loves those. And that's the list. Which one would you actually ride today? Would you pick the luxurious Goldwing, the practical NC75 OXD-CT, or the surprisingly brilliant Pacific Coast 800? Let us know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and join us for more motorcycles built for real-world riders who still love the open road. Ride safe, stay comfortable, and we'll see you in the next adventure.